Kitchen countertops are one of the most important decisions in a remodel. They affect how your kitchen looks, how it functions, how much maintenance you'll deal with, and how long your investment lasts. Today, we'll break down the most popular countertop materials, what they cost, and what you should know before installation. There is no single best countertop, only the best choice for your lifestyle, cooking habits, and budget. Countertops play such a critical role. They are one of the most used surfaces in the home. They anchor the kitchen's overall design. Poor choices can lead to staining, cracking, or constant maintenance. The right choice balances aesthetics, durability, and long-term value. Let's walk through the most common options. Quartz is an engineered stone that is non-porous and low maintenance. It is highly durable and stain-resistant with consistent patterns and modern aesthetics. Granite is a natural stone with unique patterns and colors. It is very durable but requires sealing and has more natural variation. Marble offers an elegant, luxury appearance but is a softer stone, prone to etching and staining. It's best for low traffic or statement kitchens. Solid surface options provide a seamless appearance with moderate durability. They are easier to repair but less heat resistant. Material choice should match your cooking style, maintenance tolerance, and visual goals. Now let's understand what affects countertop pricing. Material type, thickness, edge profiles, square footage, and fabrication complexity all play a role. Cutouts for sinks and cooktops also affect the price. The cheapest option up front isn't always the most cost-effective long-term. Durability and maintenance matter. A typical countertop installation process includes measurement and templating. Fabrication is done off-site, followed by the removal of old countertops. Installation and sealing, if required, are the final steps. Common mistakes include not confirming cabinet levelness and rushing material selection. Ignoring seam placement can also lead to issues. It's important to work with experienced professionals. When choosing the right countertop for your kitchen, consider your lifestyle. Busy families should prioritize durability and low maintenance. Frequent cooks need heat and stain resistance. Entertainers should focus on aesthetics and seamless design. Modern kitchens benefit from consistent patterns and clean lines. Budget-conscious remodels should balance material cost with lifespan. I encourage you to physically see samples, ask about maintenance, and think long-term. The perfect countertop isn't about trends. It's about matching material, cost, and performance to how you live. Take your time, ask questions, and choose something that will still look great years from now. Like and subscribe for more kitchen design tips. If you're planning a remodel, start by listing your priorities before choosing your countertops.